Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can fix crashing and freezing in Hytale, okay? Now you have a bunch of different options that you can try, okay? But keep in mind that this Hytale game runs on a custom engine that is very sensitive to outdated GPU drivers, okay? Actually, it's an early access game, and it's been newly released, so the first step that I'm gonna recommend to you is you update your drivers, okay, to the latest version of January 2026. And keep updating them as time goes on. This is very important. Now, what are you gonna do also is you're gonna lower your view distance. So you're just gonna come to your settings in here, come to video, and I want you to pay attention to the view distance in here because this is gonna be very, very sensitive, okay? The game currently has like a memory leak if the view distance is set above a certain threshold. So keep that in mind. I recommend setting it to 160 maybe, or 240, 256, but no more than that. Okay, because it's currently has like this memory leak problem where it's gonna kill your FPS. All right, so keep that in mind. Um, and that's pretty much it. In general, this game is working fine for me, I guess. But the view distance is definitely the killer. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And maybe in the future you're gonna include something like the deep learning, super sampling. Okay, and maybe that's gonna help with FPS. But yep, thank you so much.